Hey everyone, welcome to Lighthouse Infotainment and the 9th episode of Season 2. Today's episode will be slightly different. We'll be trying burgers from two different places. One is a local burger chain restaurant and another one is an international fast food chain popular for burgers. We'll be trying their burgers and then decide a winner based on the taste. So keep watching the full video to find out the final verdict. Let's dive into today's video. The international fast food chain that we visited was Burger King's Uttara branch and we tried their creamy cheeseburger. Let's find out how the experience was. Their creamy cheeseburger is a cheesy burger with sesame bun and a beef patty. The burger is filled with slice of cheese and ketchup. One of the highlights of this burger is the cucumber pickle. The bun was soft, fresh and light and topped with sesame. The beef patty was mildly spicy and flavorful. It was quite juicy and soft. You'll get a nice cheesy flavor from the cheese slice in the burger and also tangy flavor from the tomato ketchup. You'll also get a kick of flavor from the cucumber pickle in the burger. Overall, the burger was flavorful, but the size could have been a bit bigger. We also felt like the patty could be a bit more meaty. This burger was for $3.99. The next place we'll be visiting is a local fast food chain in Dhaka that is popular for its burgers. And it's none other than Takeout. They started their journey from a car and now have multiple branches. We visited their Uttara branch at Shonaka Jonapad Road and tried their Beef Cheese Delight burger. So let's find out how their burger was. We ordered their Beef Cheese Delight burger, which was served within 10 to 15 minutes. The first thing that caught our eye was the size of the burger. This burger was quite big in size and the bun was also fresh, but not as airy as Burger King's bun. The bun was slightly toasted. The burger's beef patty was quite meaty with condiments of a mayonnaise base, sauce and onions and lettuce. The burger's beef patty is very heavy and meaty, but the patty of the Burger King was slightly juicier. This patty is very heavy and packed with spicy flavors. So get ready to have a mouthful bite of the burger. The burger was saucy and adds to the overall experience of the burger. The lettuce and onions in the burger was quite fresh and complemented the burger well. The surprise element of this burger was the cheesy filling of the patty. This is a beef cheese delight burger, but the cheese is not placed as a cheese slice or molten cheese. Rather, the cheese is filled inside the beef patty and it has a gooey consistency, which is a burst of surprise while enjoying the burger. This was definitely a highlight of this burger. The price of the Beef Cheese Delight burger is $4.25. Now it's time for the verdict and to find out who won today's challenge. Overall, both the burgers were fairly good, but the winner for today's episode is our own Bangladeshi fast food chain, Takeout. We felt like this burger exceeded our expectations. Especially the patty was quite meaty and solid, and this burger gets some extra points for the cheesy patty. Overall, the burger was very fulfilling and also quite saucy, which made it quite enjoyable. Burger King's burger was also quite juicy, but it felt a bit flat. The patty could be a bit more solid and it would be perfect. Keep watching Lighthouse Infotainment for more videos like this and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.